This is up to code, right? Nothing could go wrong here.
So you're trying to kill your brother, right?
I'm trying to get rid of the weak ones. Look what we accomplished today. Premier parking now available at Andy's Auto Parts. All right, guys, today we're going to work on cleaning up a gas station from the 1900s. We've got a coffee shop opening, a mobile drive-through opening over here. So we're going to make sure we get everything cleaned up along here today so that it looks great for tomorrow. We've got our work cut out for us. But here we go. All right, we're getting somewhere. Still got to do this side. One's getting adjusted. We're looking better. Final video of what we accomplished today. And then really the inside. You can fully get inside here now. Still a lot of work to do, but we're getting closer. Got the pumps all cleaned up.